Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to clone WhatsApp on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now it's really simple. All you have to do is go to Settings, scroll almost all the way down, click Advanced Features. Here you do scroll all the way down, and you click the very last option, Dual Messenger. In here, you have all your messenger apps, including your WhatsApp. All you have to do is simply toggle it on. We do want to install a second copy of WhatsApp. And we can click to use separate contact list. And we can even choose from our contact list, if we would have any, which contact to transfer into the separate one. And if I will, as you can see, now I have two different WhatsApps. We can move it out of our app drawer, and as you can see, we have different copy. As you can see here, we can change the language, we can choose whatever we like, and here we can just choose something else. And they work completely separately from each other. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.